So let me try. Just bring it like it's a
We truly love this place. There's something about this theatre that's very magical for us.